Good day guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this one we're talking about how to use Excel VLOOKUP for multiple criteria. So method 1 is going to include the auxiliary helper column, which is recommended. So insert a new column. Let me just go back to my document here. You can insert it to the left of your data, and then you combine your criteria fields using the ampersand operator, ideally separated by a delimiter, to prevent ambiguous text joins. So say just choose your cell and then insert this kind of code. So it will be this code right over here. Just copy it and insert it. So then formulate your search key by concatenating the input cells representing your specific criteria in the identical order. So the next code will be, this one's going to be the second one, guys. Choose your cell and insert this code. And then you can reference the full array beginning with column A. So you'll have this code. Let me just show you. This is going to be your VLOOKUP. Alright, so as you can see. And the final argument should be set to false. And the last one is this one. This insanely long one, right? So that is if modifying your source worksheet structure to add a physical helper column is prohibited. You can just construct this dynamic in-memory table array. So just try these out, guys. Hopefully they help you out. Don't forget, you can just copy them from my little text file here. And as always, enjoy.